how to upload shorts from PC on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome to HowToBrowser YouTube channel. In this video I'll walk you through the entire process. It's very easy and simple, so now without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So the first thing that you need to do, you need to have those recommended resolutions. Okay, this is the maximum resolution and this is the minimum resolution that you need to have in your short. Alright, so now if you want to add this short and you want to add this video as a short, you can, as you can see here, this is not the right resolution. This is just for just because of this video I didn't put in the time to actually set the right resolution, but that doesn't matter because if you really want to add this video as a short, obviously you need the resolution, but also you need to add in your title the hashtag and short. You need to add this hashtag. That's all you need to do. Shorts. Look how many videos and channels are using this or use this hashtag. And now you can copy this hashtag, and I also recommend to add this hashtag in your description as well. So that's all you need to do, guys. I hope this video provides you value. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more tutorials. Thank you for watching this video.